What is one of the differences between animals and humans? We create. Because this gives us the feeling of existence. And not just to be in a to-do mode. And today, with all the daily routines, we often lose the spirit of creation. And we have replaced it with distractions. To create permits you to express yourself, to relieve your thoughts. It gives you a meaning in life. To create makes you feel alive. There are two phases in the creativity process. The first step is the phase of research. The external research and the internal research. The external research is the inspiration of books, art, discussions, documentaries, music and so much more. To be efficient, this internal research has to be made with reflection, notes and memos. And the internal research is our ideas based on our own world vision. And the second step to creativity process is the act of creation. Now it's time to create, to express yourself. And whatever you want to do, to film a video, to write a song, a book, to design a product, the starting point is always the same. It's a pen and paper. The creativity process has to remain a moment of joy and pleasure. And for this, you have to abandon all your expectations and you have to create it for yourself. Yes, we can find fulfillment in creativity. Enjoy to create, enjoy to do it, enjoy to fall into creativity. That's just the best thing.